Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Saan man kayo naroroon ngayon? Can a person live without a problem? For me, no. We need to understand that problems are the most beautiful things that we have in life. A life without problem will be dull and with no excitement. Magiging mapurol po tayo o magiging pulpul po tayo pag wala po tayong problema. Lahat po na nilalang dito sa balat ng lupa ay mayroong kanya-kanyang hinaharap na problema. Mayaman ka man o mahirap. Baka mas marami pang problema yung mga mayayaman kaysa sa ating mga mahihirap. Does everyone have difficulties in life? Yes. No one is exempt from these challenges and they can be quiet, frustrating. But it is important to remember that you are not alone in facing these challenges. Everyone has them. What if there's no problem in life? Life challenges keep us sharp and nimble. Most important of all is humble. You know, guys, magiging matalas ang pag-iisip natin pag mayroong problema. Magiging maliksi po tayo pag mayroong problema. And most important thing, magiging humble po tayo, magiging modest. We will become modest or lowly. Mapagpakumbaba po tayo pag mayroong problema. You know guys, if there were no problem at all, we would grow impartial and have no much to look forward to, but ultimately would be our distraction. Wala na tayong kinikilingan. Guys, pag wala na tayong problema, magiging tamad na po tayo lahat. And you know guys, problem are not stop. Hindi humihinto yan. Every single day may dumarating na problema. But they are only guidelines in our life. Alam nyo guys, death is the solution to all problems. Yung patay na lang ang walang problema. Mawawalang problema pag patay ka na lang. Alright guys, take care of yourself always. God bless and have a nice day. Bye bye!